Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The recent Abba Jaan remark by UP CM Yogi Adityanath sparked controversy for its communal undertones. In his address at a rally in Kushinagar on 12th September, Adityanath used the term Abba Jaan, taking a jibe at the Samajwadi Party, and said those who say Abba Jaan used to take all the ration before 2017, triggering a political war ahead of the UP elections. The UP CM used the term Abba Jaan not once but thrice during the first 15 minutes of his speech. It's also an affectionate term used by Muslims for their fathers, which is why Yogi Adityanath has been accused of using divisive language. Referring to Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Yogi Adityanath said that in Modi era there is development for all and appeasement for none. तुष्टिकरण की राजनीति जब थी तब विकास नहीं था, दंगे थे. He goes on to ask, did you get ration before 2017? Because then those who say Abba Jaan used to take all the ration. The ration for Kushinagar used to reach Nepal and Bangladesh, he said.
क्या ये राशन 2017 के पहले भी मिलता था? क्योंकि तब तो अब्बा जान कहने वाले राशन हजम कर जाते थे. तब कुशीनगर का राशन नेपाल पहुंच जाता था, बांग्लादेश पहुंच जाता था. और आज कोई इन गरीबों का राशन निकलेगा तो राशन तो नहीं निकल पाएगा, लेकिन जेल जरूर चला जाएगा.
The second time he uses his term while referring to jobs in the state. He alleged that earlier those who used to say this term used to snatch the jobs of poor. They would carry a bag for extortion in the state. He then uses it a third time referring to the female police constables present in the rally, saying that they got the job because of the policies of the current government and can show those Abba Jaan कहने वाले मजनू their place now.
पहले इन गरीबों की नौकरी पर अब्बा जान कहने वाले डकैती डाल देते थे. पूरा परिवार झोला लेके निकल पड़ता था और झोला लेकर के वसूली में लगता था. लेखपाल की नौकरी निकली तो एक परिवार के लोग, एक खानदान निकल पड़ता था वसूली करने के लिए. 7 लाख, 8 लाख, 10 लाख रुपया दो, और फिर किसी भी योग्य व्यक्ति का सिलेक्शन नहीं होता था. अध्यापक की नौकरी लगती थी, पैसा भी जाता था, नौकरी भी नहीं लगती थी. पुलिस की भर्ती निकलती थी, पैसा भी चला जाता था और नौकरी भी नहीं निकलती थी. भाइयों बहनों, पिछले 4.5 वर्ष के दौरान 4.5 लाख नौजवानों को नौकरी दी है. 4.5 लाख नौजवानों को. ये महिला आरक्षी जितनी खड़ी है सब इसी दौरान भर्ती हुई है. किसी ने सिफारिश की है और किसी ने न पैसा दिया है. हाँ, अब्बा जान कहने वाले बहुत सारे मजनूओं को खूब सबक जरूर सिखा देती है.
This is not the first time Yogi has used an Abba Jaan remark. In August, he made a statement targeting the Samajwadi Party leaders Akhilesh Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav over taking the COVID vaccine after expressing initial hesitation, which was criticized by the Samajwadi Party leaders. In another statement earlier during a TV interview, Yogi, referring to Akhilesh, said his Abba Jaan used to say even births will not be allowed in Ayodhya, but now the Ram temple is being constructed there.
वो सच बोल रहे हैं कि हमने कहा था कि रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बनाएंगे. ये हम ही ने कहा था और हमने कितना सच किया है. आज जब अयोध्या में राम जन्मभूमि के भव्य मंदिर निर्माण का कार्य शुभारंभ हो चुका है, उनके अब्बा जान तो कहते थे कि हम परिंदा भी पर नहीं मारने देंगे.
Akhilesh Yadav had reacted to the statement and asked the CM to mind his language. When the objection was raised by the opposition leaders, Yogi said he did not take anyone's name. They want Muslim votes. Why should they shun it? Is it an unparliamentary word? He asked. For The Print, this is Unnati Sharma. Please log on to theprint.in and follow us on social media.